Regatta.
This event is about having fun.
This is when you take little boats made out of one sheet of plywood, duct tape, very few fasteners, and a lot of love.
And hopefully it's going to float. Then you have to paddle it around the harbor, and that's that.
This is a really extraordinary event. It's pretty much local visionaries. We call them marine visionaries. And what you have here is a combination of imagination and enthusiasm. It's a pretty rigorous course they've got to work on here today. The wind and the seas are fairly calm. And they'll be going about 200 yards total. At least a few of them will be going that distance. We expect quite a bit of refuse, flotsam and jetsam in the harbor. Should be very exciting. We have a lot of people who've been training all morning for this event.
Looks like we've got a little case of harbor rage going on here.